All right. Hello, welcome to the Trade Game channel. This is Daniel. It's January the 30th, and we're going to be talking about trading cryptocurrency. Um, Bitcoin right now has had a bit of a nice rally over the last couple of days, and we're going to see if it can break through this line of resistance uh, here, kind of around $106,000. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about Solana. Okay, so when it comes to Solana, we've had a recent all-time high, or at least a recent high, of about $296, and we're ranging down. Now, Solana has a tendency to follow Bitcoin in the way that it moves, and so as Bitcoin has had a good couple of days, Solana also has as well, but it's also not necessarily breaking out. Now, we had a big rally in Solana recently, which from a TA perspective, strictly looking at the chart, this actually works out rather well based on the wedge that we had sort of set up before. We broke out to the upside, did a liquidity sweep down, and then had a nice big pump up here. Now, we also had a news event that kind of happened around this time, or which is to say, several very hot meme coins were released on the Solana network around this time. So that is really the driving force, I think, behind this big movement. Uh, anyway, that did cause Solana to come up and set a new high up here, and so now we're just doing price exploration down below that. Now, to me, my expectation for this, we're not getting a really awesome pattern so far. I would say it looks like we're finding support right around $220 and having a bit more of a bounce. Um, a rebound. Uh, because we do kind of have a lot of support and resistance historically here, 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 around that level. Uh, so it makes sense that Solana would find some support here. And as Bitcoin has been having a good couple of days, and the market sort of is affected by that a little bit, it makes sense that Solana would be kind of coming back up here. So we would have done our price exploration for this coin in this area and in the way the market likes to do. It's possible that we'll start to see a rally, but after coming up and setting this all-time high, I don't see any particular reason why this isn't going to range down a little bit more. Personally, my thinking on this, honestly, is that we may be doing more of a head and shoulders pattern, because we did have this big pump recently, um, and so that being the case, uh, presuming that that's the head, um, we may we may be kind of going up here and then coming back down, something like that. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell, but it would not surprise me if Solana needs to kind of take a breather here for a minute after setting this new all-time high. I think that we're probably going to be a little bit bearish for just a little bit, and possibly come down and set a probably a higher low than this one. Potentially right around this blue line, which where did I get this blue line from? Well, I evidently was looking at this chart before and probably was thinking of that as a line of support. And so we may come down and find some support kind of down in this area, say around $180, and just set a low, but a higher low than this last one. Would be my thinking of what's probably going to happen next for Solana. That being said, of course, market's always going to do what it's going to do. As you can see, I have long going on this spot. I have long going on this coin, or more specifically, I have a bot trading this long. And so it would benefit me if it broke to the upside, but I don't think that's necessarily what's going to happen right away. I think that we're more likely to kind of come down and find some support, and then possibly make another move to the upside. Is more likely, in my opinion, to be what's happening with Solana here. Okay, so this is the Trade Game channel, and I'm Daniel. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Please do like and subscribe. It helps a lot to grow our community if you do that. God be with you. Please be good to one another, and I will talk to you later.